Hi friends, in this video I'll explain Law of Assumption by Neville Goddard. First of all, it's called LOA, Law of Assumption, and the detailed process and what it means. For people who don't know, Neville Goddard is one of the pioneers, giant in the space of manifesting. He's written about 10 books and he's considered literally one of the greatest, especially in the 1960s, 70s, 80s, he had a great influence. Now, let's go into the law. Law of Assumption, LOA. You probably hear this all the time. What are we assuming here, right? The law states you assume the state you want to be in, the desire you want. Let's say you want money, or you want love, or you want a job. You assume that wish fulfilled. So you assume the state that you already have it. That's the assumption. You enter the state or you enter that wish fulfilled. And if you assume the state, then the universe, the source, will match that. That's the second part of the law. I cannot not stated very clearly, but the point is that law of assumption, LOA, states that you assume the state and slowly, by time, the universe will align itself. The source will deliver to you that assumed state. Now, how do you assume the state? Let's go into how. There are many techniques. I'm not going to go into all of them in this video. Some of the primary ones are visualization is one. Imagination/visualization. When you visualize, you mentally assume the state. For example, you have a partner, you want that, you're healthy, or you're looking for some more money, you're looking for a great career. You assume what you want and you enter the state as though you got it. That's the visualization, imagination part of it. When you enter that, genuinely, the second part is that you're feeling. Automatically, you will feel that way. When you feel that way, you have the vibration of that feeling, which is the most important. Which also what Neville talks about, a separate book as well, called Feeling is the Secret. And you have to feel that. So when you visualize, imagine, you have to enter the feeling state of assuming that, and you express the feeling. You're joyous, you're happy, you're relieved, you're excited. All those are the feelings you need to have that will automatically put you into the high vibration state. Another technique to assume is affirmation. It doesn't work for some people, but if you genuinely affirm like, hey, I'm happy, I got a great career, I'm capable, I am worthy, I'm confident, I'm having a great job, or I have a good relationship, I'm worthy. If you affirm this statement, you also enter the state, you assume the state a little bit more easier, because each declaration, assumption gets you a little closer. There are many other techniques of how to assume, the processes or the techniques. I have a separate video and also ebook on that. You can, I'll share with you freely as well. And I'll go into the various methodologies, techniques to do the assumption. Now, let's go into the three conditions as well, where, not just you assume something and it's going to happen. There are some basic requirements, which I think it's assumed that way, but I want to, no pun intended, but it's something I want to clarify to you. First, when you go to LOA, Law of Assumption state, you got to be faithful to the state. That means that you genuinely enter the state, you genuinely have that feeling, you're faithful to that state and express the feeling, right? If you have one feeling which is opposite of you entering the state, those are not congruous, those are different, so you will not be able to realize, manifest that state of assumption. Second one, I would say, condition is being persistent. It's not like you do a fleeting 5 seconds in the morning and the rest of the day you're not assuming you're in the wrong state. You got to be persistent on the state most of the time, or throughout the day or week. You're not to be 100%, but you don't negate it. You don't go like 3 steps forward and 2 steps backwards. So you got to be more persistent on the state of assumption, and the feeling that reflects it, affirms it. Lastly, don't fake it. Fake it meaning that, let's say you want to be rich and wealthy, but internally you feel like you cannot be, your belief doesn't support it. Your mind is wondering what the hell you're thinking about. You don't want to have the money. You're not capable. You're not worthy. So that's kind of, so if you keep saying, "Oh, I'm wealthy, I'm rich," but internally you don't feel that way, or you feeling cannot match it, your belief system contradicts it. That's what I call faking it, but it doesn't work. Some people profess fake it till you make it. I don't profess that. I don't recommend it. It doesn't work because you have a huge divide. You have a huge discrepancy between your inner state, what you feel versus what you're saying. It's really artificial. So you got to genuinely work on your belief system, an internal compass where you can align with your feeling and your worthiness, your confidence, and all those, you're capable. And there are many other techniques to align you with that. We'll go into a separate video on this. So those three things, you got to be faithful, you got to be persistent, and don't fake it. If you do this, law of assumption by Neville does work. It's also a question of time. Don't expect to happen miraculously in 1 minute or 1 hour, 1 day. It's a due course. There's a bridge of incidences, bridge of events that will happen that bridge you towards your assumed state. That can take weeks, months. Some smaller thing could be days. Again, a lot more detail, we'll go into that later. I do want to touch upon, there are two LOAs, law of assumption and law of attraction. Law of assumption is by Neville, Goddard, which is we just talked about that. Law of attraction is from Abraham Hicks, channeled by Esther Hicks. That is to do with you attract what you are. It's a little similar, but not quite the same. And it talks about more of attraction. What do you attract from the universe? So again, I have a separate video on law of attraction. You can also look into that. They're very similar, but they're subtle, quite a bit of difference as well between them. So let's not, confuse between the law of attraction and the law of assumption. A little bit about me. I'm Vaidhi. I'm part of the Manifesting the Best channel. I've been in the manifesting circle path for 6 years. I read tons of books. I'm sharing with you my knowledge, what I learned. I've been also be able to manifest many things. I want to share with you what works, what doesn't work. I have a free ebook and a free course for you. And this year, 2025, if you want to join, it's my pleasure to just have you guys create your life, manifest what you want. I'm not looking for money. I just want more people to manifest and genuinely enjoy the life you deserve. And if you want that free ebook and the course, you can sign up at spiritualuniversity.org and I will share with you. And if you like the video, subscribe, like, and share this, and I will see you in the next video. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share this. Thank you.